No, that's so funny. That's my computer. There we go. All right, let me get a pen. So I'm going to give you these answers by section. All right, it is your responsibility to check this review. So section 2.1, there were 2 problems, 9 and 10. We are on page 129. Let me get my book. Okay. Didn't look like it. Any questions on 9 and 10? Number 10 reads 4 times the difference of 4 times the kind of gives you the clue you have to do a parentheses. Okay. All right, 2.2. There's 3 problems. (16, 20). I don't know. 16, 20, and 22. Guys, you will see a problem just like these. There you go. You know what? Give me 1 second. Let me zoom in a little more. There you go. 16 is 13, 1 step. 20 is 60. B is -10. Any questions on these 3? Here's the work. This was 1-step equation. All right, let's look at section 2.3, which was multi-step. Just still solving equations. Multi-step. No, you can't see it. Sorry. There you go. (25) is about as basic as you can get. 26 and 27, same steps, but the problem, you've got some negatives in there. You need to make sure you're following the right steps. So this is half of the review, 8 problems. Any questions on these 8? Okay. All right, I'm gonna get the new page. Give me a second to fix the screen. All right, 2, 4. I don't like that. 2, 4, you had 2 problems. These were variables on both sides. The 37, very basic steps. You follow MS3. 42, this one was you distribute, solve the equation. MS3, P is 7. Any questions? All right, this is where I had some problems on the quiz. Look at 47. Absolute value. Directions just say evaluate. Evaluate if M is -8, N is 4, P is -12. You're literally just putting them in for the variable. Where you have issues is this step, here, and or here. Okay? Just take your time. How do we do on that? All right. 48 is a little different. I've messed this up. There we go. 48, answers 4, one at a time. Same values as the problem for 47. Don't forget you have this minus 3n at the tail end of the problem, okay? Lots of students yesterday just forgot it, okay? Don't forget that. Minus 3 times 4 minus 12. That should be the last thing you do. Who got this one right? Okay. Give me 1 second. Let me fix this. I didn't do that.
I got all of them right up until 47. Oh, I guess up until 48.
All right, do you see why?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I mean, not good that it was done, good, easy fix. Okay. All right, we're gonna go to 2-6. This is, I think, the easiest section in the whole chapter. Ratio, is it equal or not? You were given 2 fractions. Are those equal ratios? 3/5 and 27/45. 2 ways to do it. Reduce this, you get that. Or cross multiply. Who'd cross multiply to check this? Okay. Either way, yes is your answer. Okay. 57, solve for A. You have a proportion and you get 20. All right, last section. This is what we did the other day. That was a little, well, a lot different. Yeah, it's okay. I understand. 61, 2 steps. Taking the 3x over and dividing by 2. Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay if we didn't rewrite it? Or is it
If you what?
if we didn't rewrite it?
Which one? 61 or 62?
61.
Okay.
Because I had negative 3x plus 9 over 2.
That's fine. Yes, ma'am.
What if you didn't do the over 2? I just got 2y equals 9.
It has to be by itself. Okay. Kaylee, as long as you see if it's multiple choice, you can find that answer. Okay? Yes, ma'am.
Can you go over one first?
Let me do 61. Okay, well, here's the work. One thing at a time. The problem was (3x plus 2y equals 9). Solve for y. Were you out last class? Yeah, not a good day to miss. You want y by itself, okay? So just like any equation, you move the other term over. So you're going to take 3x to the other side, bring down 2y, and divide by 2. Let me do it this way. Remember the other day I did a math problem that was very similar? So here's the problem here. Okay, I'm going to do a math problem, 6 plus 12y equals 54. Okay, so we're solving for y. Here, just look at this. Here's the normal equation. Here's our problem. Okay, to solve for y, I take 6 away. You with me so far? So over here, in solving for y, I take 3x away. Same step. That cancels, that cancels. I'm left with 12y equals 54 minus 6 is? Over here, you have 2y equals, 2 ways you can write it. 9 minus 3x or negative 3x plus 9. You see? Okay. Over here, you divide by y. Y equals 48 divided by 12 is? Bueller? 4. Divide by 12 here, so you divide by 2 here. That cancels. 9 minus 3x over 2, or like Kaylee said, just depends on how the answers are written. Okay, let me move that. This is an actual formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. And that's it. Okay, one way to study for the test. You have a test tomorrow. Okay, your test is tomorrow.
Is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is A-Day. Yeah. You have these 16 problems you can do again. You have the answers, do them again. Okay, Jake, put down. All right, now go to page 133. No, that's what, sorry.
That's what this is.
That's what you just did, sorry. Here is more review. Now, write this down, because I'm gonna turn my screen off. This is in class. What's that? Honestly, I don't care. I'm not checking this. This is for your own extra review. Give me 1 second. Page 133, 1 through 7, 9, 10, 13 through 18, 21, and 23. I believe this is 17 problems. I'm going to give you a good 30, 35 minutes to do this. Okay? I'm going to put music on. If you have questions, you can ask me, but keep in mind, you have a test tomorrow. Okay? So do the best you can. If you are struggling with one, maybe look in your notes or look in the section in your book. Use me as a last resort. Okay? I'm not saying don't come to me, but we're at the end. Okay? And we will go over these, and I'll give you the answers to those as well. Okay? So we'll go over these today. Yeah. So 2 ways to study now. Do the review from page 129, 16 problems, do them again. Do this review. This is on like a made-up chapter practice test. You can do these again. Okay? Any questions? All right.